welcome back to my channel and show you the things I bought from SPC Factory sales. It's like Del Monte in the Philippines, but it's more like foods and some wholesale stuff like ice cream cone is this is only for like $2.50, and that's 30 pieces in that box, where you can buy this in SPC and you can buy this in Safeway or Kohl's for like around $3 or something. Ice cream, here we come. So that's one. I also bought this bicarb soda. So ito ginagamit ko pang linis, or maganda din ito sa sink kapag may amoy-amoy na yung sink mo. Pwede mo to ilagay tsaka lagyan ng vinegar. So I always have this in my pantry. So that's bicarb soda. I always have that. And that's only for big box. That's $3.95 only. So that's a very good deal. And this packet of lollies, my hubby's favorite, party mix. This is $12 for the whole packet. So that's 1.3 kilos of sugar. No, not sugar, but lollies like snakes and everything else. So I'll show you. Mauni siyang sulod sa party mix. Party mix. More na siya gummy bear. Lilac flavor na ay. What's this little thing? Doesn't focus this one. And this one, strawberry. Ay, orange. Orange licorice. Licorice mo na siya. Ang lami niya mura ni siya og kuan. Anis. Ang lami. I also got snakes. Do you want to try that, little cat? Huh? Nice. Like that. Snakes and everything. This is $12 for the bag. Also, lami kayo ning pork crackling. I also bought the pork crackling. They have this for $2.90 something. So that's actually a real pork. So yummy yummy, sarap. Ituslo sa suka og halang. Pork crackling, chicharon. Kami ni parisan og kuan, bahaw. I also found some gloves where I can sometimes I wash the dishes and I don't want my hands wet, or sometimes it's cold. I just use a glove. So this one's a good brand for $1 lang. $1.30, 40 pesos only. So I'll show you what it looks like. Sometimes gamitin gamit na ko sa garden. So that's pretty nice. It's long and it's rubber. Oh no, not rubber. It's latex, something like that. So rubber gloves. So that's the right size. So that's up to the elbow, nearly to the elbow. You can pull weeds with it, but it's only for the kitchen, but I'm using it outside the garden. So that's the gloves. That's $1 only. So 40 pesos lang. 40 pesos. And I bought 3 pieces because I only go there sometimes once in a blue moon. So this is a very good deal. Another thing, that's all I bought in the factory. I'll show you the receipt. That the factory sales SPC, like they have mga canned goods there, mga spaghetti canned goods, lemon, and everything else.